Yo, what is going on, guys? Wow. Yo, what's going on, guys? Damn, we're back with another video. And today we're going to be doing a video on how to make a Wondagurl type beat. I like making it before, and you know what I'm saying, I'm more comfortable with the 808 slides. So I thought, why not try it and do it again? So yeah, if you guys like the video, leave a like, share this with your friends, comment on videos in the future, all that good stuff. And also don't forget to subscribe, of course, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel and my gaming channel. Link is in the description. And also don't forget about my free loop kit. Download that at unorthodoxbeatreviews.com. Just sign up, do whatever you gotta do, and in the dashboard you click on the download button on the taskbar on the left hand side and you'll be able to download it. And yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna see you on my computer for this Wondagurl type beat, and yeah, peace. Alright y'all, so I'm back on my computer. Got two VSTs loaded up, Citrus and Iris here, of course, you know how we do. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started with this Wondagurl type beat. And yeah. Alright y'all, so I got a melody going, and yeah, I'm just let y'all hear it, and yeah, here's what that sounds like so far. You know, some it's kind of dark, you know, because I'm obviously going for that vibe with the Wondagurl type beat. So actually, I might change up a few things in the melody just a little bit. I may or may not, but then I'm gonna go to the drums right after that, and yeah. So let's do it. Actually, no, I'm gonna go ahead and start with the 808s. I already started them, but yeah, I decided to do that. Change the melody up a little bit too, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So, alright y'all, so I finished the 808 pattern, and sounded alright. I added a little bit more slides in it. Keep in mind, I'm still practicing my slides, but yeah, here is what the 808 pattern sounds like. But yeah, that's what it sounds like. I'm gonna change it up a little bit. There's a few notes that sound a little weird, so I'm gonna go ahead and change it up a little bit, and then after that I'm gonna go ahead and start the rest of the drums. Like, yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. Alright, y'all, so 808 wasn't really working out, so you know, I decided to get rid of it entirely. I know 808s or Wondagurl type is supposed to have 808 slides, but I kind of didn't want to do that because I didn't want to force it. It's just not working out. So I just decided to add a sub bass. Hope that will compensate for the 808. But I mean, it should, because you know, it's a Wondagurl type beat. But yeah, here's what that sounds like. I added some hi-hats in there. I'm gonna edit that later, don't worry. But yeah, here's what that sounds like. Alright, so nice, sounding nice and spooky. It's cool. Now I'm gonna go ahead and edit the hi-hat pattern. And yeah, we're gonna continue on from there. I'll basically be done actually, but alright, y'all, so the beat is all done. Didn't take me too long. Unfortunately, it does not have the 808 slides. I know you were expecting the 808 slides, but they just really weren't working out. And I just didn't want to force it, you know what I'm saying? If I did, then it just wouldn't have came out right. So I went ahead, added just a synth bass to the beat, you know what I'm saying? Stay on the safe side. Did what I knew, and I think it came out pretty nicely. So we're gonna go ahead and play this for you guys, and here's what it sounds like. But there you go. There is your Wondagurl type beat. I don't know, I'm sorry for not having 808 slides, but I didn't want to force it like I said. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a like. Don't forget, subscribe, share, comment, like, all that stuff. Don't forget, you can get my free drum kit or my free loop kit with 5 bonus minis on sonicvibes.com. Go ahead, sign up, sonicvibes.com, links in the description. Sign up, download the drum kit on the dashboard, and or the loop kit, excuse me, on the dashboard. And yeah, man, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm gonna see you on the next one.